Hey, it's Neve, and in this week's video of the week, I am going to share with you my LinkedIn plan. Now, over the last few weeks in our weekly video, I've been talking about LinkedIn, exploring some of the uses of video on LinkedIn, why you might want to post on LinkedIn, as well as what LinkedIn wants, so we can create the kind of content that they actually want to have on their platform, which in the long term is always going to benefit you. But this week, I want to share with you my plans and what I intend to do on LinkedIn, both over the next month and then going forward following that. Now, what's right for me is not necessarily going to be right for you, but I think it's always helpful to understand how we take the things we've been learning and then actually create a strategy to experiment and then a strategy to be more long-term about it. So this is going to be the last installment of my LinkedIn series for the moment, and then I'm going to do an update for you in about a month's time after I've had a chance to post more videos, to try out my strategy, and to let you know then how it goes. So my intention with LinkedIn is not for it to become yet another place that I have to post. My audience is there, but what they use LinkedIn for is to go and check people out. So they're not hanging out reading the articles people post or watching videos all that much. What they do is they go there to see me. So it's sort of like a placeholder where I do need to have a profile there for when people come and check me out, but I don't want to invest a lot of time because it's not where my audience hangs out. Now, in your business, your audience might love to hang out on LinkedIn, but mine, not so much. They pop in there, check some things out, but they're not really hanging out there. So I'm not going to hang out there either. What I am going to do first is update my profile with some videos. So I'm going to record a video specifically as sort of like a welcome to my profile and telling people a tiny bit about me. I'm going to look at also adding a couple of videos to my previous positions to talk about how they tie into the work that I do now. So basically it's just filling out my profile a bit because that is where most people are going to be looking at my stuff. It's not necessarily on the wall, but on my profile. The other thing that I'm then going to do is post some videos directly onto the LinkedIn wall, both native video, meaning video I've posted using either the LinkedIn app, where you can just record it right there, or uploading my video directly. Or some of them then I will also be sharing non-natively, so I'll be posting my YouTube video directly onto LinkedIn. So I'm going to flip between the two because what this does is it allows me to gather some data, and it's not going to be perfect because every video will be different, so it's not going to be like a very scientific way to analyze this, but it is going to be seeing, okay, do I get more comments if it's native on LinkedIn, or do I get more comments if it's a YouTube video shared? How many people are seeing it? And also exploring using the LinkedIn analytics, which only works on their native videos, and seeing how that is a benefit. So what I want to basically do is start to use it. So I find that with any strategy that you're approaching online, rather than saying, okay, I'm going to come up with my perfect strategy at the start and just stick to it forever, what you're best off doing is experimenting, trying different things. So I'm going to spend the next month posting in different ways on LinkedIn, and I'm going to see what seems to really work for me and what doesn't. And then in the long term, I'm going to do what's easiest. Quite frankly, my main strategy is not LinkedIn. My main strategy is utilizing challenges and sharing my videos on YouTube. So I will not be posting a lot there in the future, but I definitely want, once I have the momentum going, as in people used to seeing videos from me on LinkedIn, then what I will do is I will share my YouTube videos directly onto LinkedIn and make that part of my YouTube process, unless I'm massively blown away by the power of native LinkedIn video. That's why I have to experiment, so that I can see. And then, as I said, in a month's time, I'm going to update you and let you know how it's going, what some of my findings are after doing the experimenting. So please make your own LinkedIn experiment. I'd love to see other people using LinkedIn video and using, videos on their profile. I think that we can all really use this as a way to stand out, because a lot of LinkedIners are not yet using video in a powerful way. They feel like either it has to be overly professional and then it comes off sort of actually stuffy, or they don't know that they can use it, or they don't know how their audience is going to respond. So this is all about experimentation and play. My light just keeps changing. It's the sun keeps going in and out of clouds. So apologies for that. I've really enjoyed exploring LinkedIn with you. So you can come check out my LinkedIn profile. I'll put a link to that in the description. If you want to watch me experiment, you are more than welcome. And in about a month's time, I'll be sharing an updated video of the week with you to let you know how LinkedIn has been going.